Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Bangkok, Thailand, guys. And I want to talk to you about a whole bunch of stuff today. And let's get into it, guys. You know, it's really shocking right now what's going on with the crypto markets. And things are really looking pretty good. I'm pretty bullish out there. You guys should also be pretty bullish out there. And, you know, yesterday we did see that, you know, even though that the broader markets they started in the green, you know, things are looking pretty successful for the broader markets. Things are looking pretty cool beans out there. And at the end of the day, we saw that the broader markets tanked. And remember, also before we get deeper into it, remember this is not financial advice. Of course, it's just OG expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So what we did see yesterday is, you know, things were looking pretty good. We saw that, you know, the Dow, the Nasdaq, everything was up, you know, almost over 1%. And then as we got close to the end of the session, we saw there was a huge downward reversal, guys. And that downward reversal, we saw that, you know, basically the Nasdaq was down almost 0.81%. We saw that the S&P was down as well, and also the Dow Jones was down. So what's going on with that? So, you know, I think this is a really huge indicator out there that we're seeing a bit of an uncoupling of crypto markets from the broader market. So that is in itself good. I mean, it might be too early to tell right now if this is going to continue, but right now this is a good bottom indicator out there that we are seeing that this is a very positive move to the upside. And, you know, from that perspective, you know, what are we seeing right now? We're seeing that, you know, Bitcoin is still strong. It's still steady above $22,000, and it's still up at time of recording, up over 3.5%. So that's not too shabby. If you guys are wondering where I am right now, I'm at the pool. I'm just at the pool side over here, just kind of chilly willing and relaxing. But, you know, I'm really shocked at how well we're seeing that the cryptos are doing right now. We're seeing Ethereum right now is still up 7.76%. It's at $1,519, and that is pretty cool beans. And you know, I believe that we're going to be seeing that you know, Ethereum is going to be breaking out, and we could see Ethereum coming up to $1,600 right now as time of recording. Right now, for the time of recording, we can see that the Doge Tip right now is at 0.66 cents, and it's getting pretty close. I don't know if you guys can see it here, but it's getting pretty darn close to breaking out from my descending channel line over there. So this is looking pretty good. I'm still thinking that we still have you know, a validation of the bump and run pattern coming in, so that is pretty positive out there. And you know, amazingly, absolutely amazingly out here, we're seeing that the fear and greed pumped up like crazy yesterday. I mean, it was insane how much the fear and greed went up yesterday. You guys, just take a look at this one. Take a look at that. I don't know if you can see that out there. But you can see that yesterday we saw that the fear and greed was at 20, and now it pumped up to 30. OMG, what's going on with that? So that is cool, guys. That is absolutely cool. And remember, you know, avoid the tears, buy the fear. And I'm so happy, you know. I remember last week I did dollar cost average into itty bitty baby. So that I'm happy, guys, because I'm up, and you know, some of the other Bitcoin that I did in my previous DCA is also up. So I can see that my total strike price is coming down. So that is good. That is very good from that perspective. And guys, if you're still watching, I just want to say thank you very much for smashing the likes. Thank you very much for subscribing. I appreciate it. God bless each and every one of you out there. It's a great time to be alive. And you know, don't forget to, you know, become a channel member. I would appreciate it. You know, get access to a private WhatsApp group, do all that kind of stuff. I think it's really, as you guys probably are aware, it's really a good time to get your crypto off lending platforms, get them off centralized exchanges, and definitely be getting a hardware wallet out there. You can go down there, down there, check out my Nano Ledger affiliate link, and I got a Trezor affiliate link as well. So I'm agnostic when it comes to hardware wallets, but I do prefer right now the Nano Ledger. It's got a little bit more features, and it does support more cryptocurrencies, particularly altcoins. And some people are asking me, if you have a Nano Ledger, can you swap and can you sell? Yeah, built right into the Nano Ledger, there is a ability to swap and trade right in the application, right in the Nano Ledger application itself. Also, Trezor does offer that as well, so that is pretty good from that perspective. So, you know, you do get kind of like decentralized features, but you get to do that via your own private keys, and you get to do that through an ledger hardware wallet. So that is cool beans, guys. So guys, definitely you want to secure your crypto. It's so important that you do that. So we're seeing that the fear and greed is absolutely insane right now, and this is really good. And you guys have to understand that sentiment drives price, and right now the sentiment in the markets are looking pretty darn tootin' good out there. And if we talk about what's going on with Dogecoin right now, we can see that as far as the Dogecoin holders are, we're seeing that right now we're seeing that 51% of all Dogecoin holders, I don't know if you can see that out there, I don't know if it's clear or not, but 51% of all the Dogecoin holders right now are actually in the money, guys. So you guys should absolutely be in the money. So that is cool beans. And we're seeing that 46% are out right now. So that is good. And we're seeing that it's right now mostly neutral. So that is good. We're not bearish. We're not bullish. We're very neutral. So that is good. And this is really setting us up for this nice bump and run pattern that is happening as well. So for Bitcoin, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin right now it's still trading very well. It has broken out of my descending triangle there, so that is pretty good. I don't know if you can see that out there. Bitcoin has kind of formed a W pattern out there, and it is breaking to the upside from our descending triangle pattern, so that is pretty good, and that is positive out there. What else is going on the weekly right now? We're seeing that Bitcoin is looking very, very fine and dandy on the weekly. We're breaking out to the upside, so that is fantastic out there. So overall, everything is looking very good. Some other indicators that are actually happening right now. You can see here that the Bitcoin has broken above the 200-day moving average, so that is pretty good. And every time we see Bitcoin break above the 200-day moving average, we often get an explosion, because Bitcoin has been well under the 200 weekly moving average for a very, very long time, and now we're just about to get above it again. So you guys can see here from this chart that we're about to break above the 200 weekly moving average. So that is positive, and that is another reason that's absolutely fueling the price of Bitcoin going up, and all of the crypto markets also going up as well. So that is pretty positive, and you guys should be pretty excited about that. We can see that Bitcoin has finally, it's taken 104 days for Bitcoin to break this downward trend line. So Bitcoin has broken above this downward trend line. It's taken 104 days, so that is pretty bullish. Don't forget, we got the death cross that's happening on the 4-day. That is happening very, very shortly, and that should happen around about the 21st of July. I keep telling you that this is a lagging indicator out there, and this is pretty bullish. So we're seeing a lot of bullish things happening right now in the crypto space. You guys know that we do have the Ethereum 2.0 that's coming out on September 9th. That's another reason that Bitcoin is pumping right now. So it is a great, guys, I'm really happy because it's been weeks of kind of negativeness and people have been very negative and vitriolic, not only in the comments, but also just everybody's down. And when crypto is down, people don't watch, people don't comment, people panic, and we are seeing more and more retail investors are getting back in. We did see a lot of there's a huge retail investor flush out when we had these big dumps and crashes, and it's been an ongoing cycle of doom and stupidity out there. Since we had the Luna debacle, then we had the Celsius, then we had the Babel, we had the 3 Arrows, we had the Voyager. So all of these things have really contributed to this whole crypto contagion out there. So now that this whole crypto contagion is kind of out of there and things are looking much better, we are seeing that things are going uppity up. So that's pretty positive. I think you guys should really be feeling the love, and things should be really going up. We're also seeing right now the DXY right now is also going down. We're seeing the DXY is about 107.473. We're seeing that the euro right now is also still in the toilet. Euro is not doing anything. It's still down, down. So from that perspective, we do need the strength of dollar to weaken, because right now, a lot of asset classes, people are moving into dollar-based asset classes, and that is what's going on. Don't forget, we got the FOMC meeting that's going to be happening probably on the 26th or 27th. So that is absolutely coming out. So you guys are going to have to stay tuned for that. And there's definitely going to be, some people have been talking about a 100 basis points increase. If that happens, that is not going to be good for the broader markets. But right now we are seeing a bit of a huge decoupling out there. So that is may not have any real impact on the crypto market. So keep an eye on that. What else is going on? Some of the top news that's coming in right now. It looks like Binance in Holland have been given a fine for not having their proper registration out there. We're also seeing that in India, once again, Debbie Downing, they're looking at having a complete crypto ban out there. I don't know what's going on with those guys. You know, they're taxing the crap out of everything, and then now they are saying, oh, let's ban it. And you know, it's like windshield wiper. These guys are really wishy-washy, and it's insane. I don't know what's going on. You know, we also see that Solana could be pumping this weekend, guys, so keep an eye on that. There looks like there'll be some good news for Solana. Finally, some good news, and we could be seeing that pumping, guys. Also, there's a huge FBI warning right now going around about fake crypto apps. So, guys, be very careful when you download stuff. That is why I suggest everybody to get either a hardware wallet, software wallet, get a MetaMask. Software wallets, you can use Exodus, MetaMask, Trust Wallet out there. So guys and gals, definitely get a hardware wallet or software wallet. But there is a lot of FBI huge warning right now. There is a lot of fake crypto apps, and what they do is they just take your crypto, guys. So don't download anything that you don't trust, guys. So remember, the best software wallets are Exodus, MetaMask, Trust. So those are the three. Anything else, forget about it, guys. Absolutely forget about it. There's a lot of fake stuff out there, and of course, the best security out there is a hardware wallet, guys. So get that. You know, so we're seeing that, as I said, you know, the Bitcoin, the recent sell-off is almost exclusively being carried out by short-term holders, and this is from Coinbase Research. So we're seeing that a lot of long-term holders have not given up. They're still holding. They're still stacking the sats, and not only that, we're seeing that, you know, the biggest crypto whale out there is still holding strong, still holding firmly out there, guys. So it is absolutely a great time to be alive. You know, the other Debbie Downer is like Gary Gensler. He's being very positive when it comes to crypto regulation. He's saying that, look, we're not going to have one regulation that fits everything. I've talked about that, but you know, there's something up with the Gary Gensler. He just does not want to approve a Bitcoin spot ETF. I don't know why. I don't know what is going on. Why he just keeps rejecting the Bitcoin ETF, the spot ETF. I don't know. If anybody knows, guys, comment. I'd love to know why. What is holding back the SEC secretary from absolutely releasing that? I have no idea. We're seeing that the U.S. Senator out there, Elizabeth Warren, you know, Debbie Downer out there, she's saying that there's too many crypto firms and they're able to scam customers. I mean, I don't want to say Celsius was a scam, but definitely they needed more regulations in there. And as I told you yesterday, that basically Celsius is saying, look, they're going to probably be cutting a deal in the next 12 to 24 months with you. You can either take a cash payout at a discount, and it could be, you know, 50%, you know, 50 cents on the dollar, 70 cents on the dollar. I don't know at this time. Nobody knows. Or you may have to just wait and hold your crypto for I don't know how many years. So that is what's going on with Celsius. No real updates there. So that's kind of El Sacarino out there. Dogecoin. We haven't heard much about Dogecoin and the authorities in Korea. They're still under investigation for fraud, embezzlement, all that kind of stuff. So, you know, he could be a recipient of soap on a rope. That could be coming. Alex Wininsky, you know, he's not going to be charged with anything, because basically the only thing that he could be charged with is running a crappy company and not having risk management out there. So that is what is going on with that. So, but he deserves rope on a soap, and he deserves definitely a long stay at hotel incarceration out there. What do you guys think? Do you think that Dogecoin and Alex Wininsky, they should be in jail? They should be prosecuted, and somehow there should be some punishments for what he's doing. What do you guys think? I would appreciate your comments and understand what you guys think about that. I think definitely Dogecoin was a shady character out there. Definitely a shady, weighty character out there. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear what you gotta think. What else we got? So that's about it news-wise. Nothing really much other than that, and that's about it, guys. So I just want to say, guys, keep on keeping on. It's a great time to be alive. Like I said, I'm at the pool. It's a great time to be alive. Absolutely great time to be alive. The weather here in Bangkok is hot. You can take a look at the weather. The weather is absolutely fantastic out there. You can take a look at the weather. It is just fantastic out there. And I'm sitting by the pool, guys, and the view is good. Everything's looking good, and it's a hot day. family is going to be out and about today, and it is absolutely a great time to be alive today. So go down there, smash the likes, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Also, we changed our handle on Twitter from Elegant Investment 1, and we changed it to Daily Crypto TS, guys. So remember, there's a lot of fake accounts out there, so watch out for that. I'm never going to ask you to contact me. Watch out for a lot of bots and scammers in the comments, guys. It's just insane in the membrane. So once again, go down there, smash the likes, subscribe. Don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get all the merch. Check out all the links are down below, guys. So I see you in the next one. I just want to say peace out. I will absolutely see you in the next one. God bless each and every one of you. Peace out.